Today, with this very short and easy lesson, you are going to learn how to talk about someone else's things. You're also going to learn how to talk about daily activities and how to describe activities by listening to a story, by reading a story with me about family and talking about that family. All you have to do is listen and read with me and practice your grammar and your pronunciation when you read the story with me. It's also good if you take notes. So if you have a notebook, bring your notebook and take notes of important grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Are you ready? Let's start. So we have this beautiful small family: father, mother, daughter, and two sons. Wife, husband, two sons, and a daughter, one daughter. The mother's name is Amanda. So the story is about Amanda's family and also Amanda's work, what she does for work. Are you guys ready to read with me? Let's read. Amanda works at Kroger and she's there 5 days a week. She doesn't, negation, doesn't. She doesn't work on weekends. So she has time with her family. You see this here? Her family. Her family. And I put pink because she, okay? Possession for her. What is her name? Her name is Amanda. She doesn't work on weekends, so she has time with her family. Every weekday or every day, she wakes up early and leaves the house at 7 in the morning. Her, for girls, right? Her shift ends at 5 p.m. And by 5:30, she's back home. So it takes her 30 minutes to get home from work. Amanda is married to George, who is an engineer. Who's an engineer? Who's an engineer? George has a busy schedule, so his job keeps him busy, and he usually arrives home after Amanda. You see, I put this blue here. His job. For boys, for men, we use his. What is his name? His name is George. What is his wife's name? His wife's name is Amanda. So you see, her pink for Amanda. His blue for Mr. George. Hello, George. So his job keeps him busy, and he usually arrives home after Amanda. Amanda and George have 3 kids: a daughter, and 2 sons. Their son, there, right? There for they, 2 people, plural. Their sons love soccer, and their daughter likes to help Amanda in the kitchen. When Amanda arrives home, she often cooks dinner. Her family loves her cooking, but on weekends, it's his turn to make dinner. His. It's George's turn. It's his turn, right? It's his turn to make dinner, and he is famous for his pasta. He's famous for his pasta. His pasta is really good. The kids love it when their dad cooks, plural, there. Amanda is proud of her family, and they all enjoy their time together. She works hard, but her favorite part of the day is when everyone is home, eating and laughing. That was the end of the story. I'm going to ask you a lot of questions about the story. Please pay attention. Pay attention to the story and answer the questions with me. This will help you practice the grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, speaking, everything. It will help you a lot. Are you ready? Let's go. Who works at Kroger? Who works who works at Kroger? Amanda. Amanda works at Kroger. Okay? Where does Amanda work? Where does she work? Location. She works at Kroger. She works at Kroger. Does she work at Walmart? No, she does not. No, she doesn't. She doesn't work at Walmart. Does she work in a factory? No, she doesn't work in a factory. Does she work in a school? No, she doesn't. She doesn't work in a school. Okay. Is Amanda single? No, she is not. She's not single. Is Amanda married? Is she married? Yes, she is. She's married. Who is she married to? Who is she married to? Who's the guy? She's married to George. What's his job? His, right? Remember? His. He is an engineer. He's an engineer. What is her job? She is, let's say, a manager at Kroger. She's a manager at Kroger, right? What is her job? What is his job? Okay. Does Amanda work on weekends? Does Amanda work on weekends? No, she doesn't. She doesn't work on weekends. No, she doesn't. She doesn't work on weekends. Does she work on weekdays? Yes, she does. She works Monday to Friday. You see, you have to make the M capital. Days of the week. She works Monday to Friday. Okay. Does Amanda love her family? Her family. Yes, she does. She loves her family. Okay. Now let's talk about their kids. Their kids. How many kids do they have? How many children do they have? 1, 2, 3. They have 3 kids. Okay. A daughter and 2 sons. What do their sons love? What do their sons love? Their sons love soccer. What about their daughter? What does she like to do? She likes to help Amanda in the kitchen. She likes to help her mother in the kitchen. Okay? So, what about George? What is his job like? His job. What is his job like? What's it like? How is his job? His job keeps him busy. His job keeps him busy, right? He has a busy schedule. All right. Well, does George ever cook for the family? Ever? Yes, he does. He cooks for the family on weekends. He is famous for his pasta. His pasta is really good. And the kids love it when their dad cooks. When their dad cooks, they love it. Is Amanda proud of her family? Yes, she is. She loves her family. She's proud of her family, and she loves spending time with them. They all enjoy their time together. What is Amanda's favorite part of the day? What is her favorite part of the day? Her favorite part of the day is when everyone is home eating and laughing together. That brings us to the end of today's lesson. You see, it's a very short story, but with lots of information, lots of grammar, pronunciation, vocabulary, and that's why you have to pay attention. But you have to pay attention to the questions, to the answers, and practice with me. Because if you don't, you will not learn quickly. And also, if you don't use it, you lose it. So next time you see a girl, think about, her hair is black. Her hair is pink. I don't know. If you see a man walking, oh, his shirt is nice. Use these pronouns to describe other people, to describe their things, and this will help you practice the grammar, and this will help you learn everything deeply, and you will never forget it.